That's right. Yeah, that's about right. What's up, guys? Virus here, and today I'm going to show you how to super clean your motorcycles for just $20. And I'm going to show you what you need to get to do that just for $20 fucking dollars. So let's get that shit right now. So anyway, this right here, this clay bar kit, $20 at Walmart. You want to super clean your motorcycle? Do you want your mom to come outside and be like, hey, that's a pretty sick clean motorcycle you got there, kid? This is the answer to it right here. It comes with instant detailer, microfiber towel, and of course 200-gram clay bars just for $20. Today we're going to super clean this motorcycle, and I'm going to show y'all how to do that the right way. So let's start doing that right now. So anyway, first thing you want to do is wash off the bike and degrease it. So what we're going to do is spray it off and wash it off with some degreaser and get all the grease off of it. So yeah, let's do that first. So basically what this little thing right here is pretty much a foam gun, but without a pressure washer. It pretty much just attaches straight up to your water hose. And that way you don't have to, you know, buy a whole fucking pressure washer. Okay, now that since you've degreased your whole fucking motorcycle and it's pretty fucking wet, now we can get to the fun shit. The clay bar. Hold up. Bam. Like I said, comes with instant detailer from Mothers, one microfiber towel like everyone should have in their whole life, and two clay bars. Basically what a clay bar does is it gets all the nasty little things that everything else can't get. It gets all the little particles that makes your vehicle dirty. So let's open it up and drop it. Don't drop it on the ground, that's a fucking dumb thing. And clean every panel on the motorcycle that needs to be shiny. Gas tank, side plates, you know, front fender and all shit like that. If it's got nice paint on it, put the clay bar on it. That's the way I live by. The clay bar starts to get dirty, just knead it like this, like it's clay. If it starts to get dirty, just knead it. As you go, you spray and then you just rub the clay bar. You keep it wet. It's just think kind of like you're wet sanding something, but not really. I'm going to start on the gas tank and I'm going to come over here and hopefully I'll be able to show you how dirty the clay bar is. Right now it's kind of just a straight up yellow, so we'll come back and see how dirty we can get it. Okay, bam, we're done, and you see that the clay bar has got substantially more dirty. Pretty much as you use it, just keep kneading the clay until you don't have any more particles on it. That way you're not just rubbing particles into your paint. But now that I'm done clay barring the motorcycle, these are pretty much good for just one use. It's pretty, especially on a whole car. It's just a one-use thing. Now, after you've done clay barred the whole thing, you're gonna want to spray it down again, degrease the whole thing again, and then after that, we're gonna put some instant detailer on it and make it look pretty. So let's do that now. Now, since we've done degreased it again, got some of the residue from the clay off the motorcycle, now we're gonna dry it off with this. And then we're gonna spray the instant detailer on it, and then there you go, you'll be finished. You will have done super cleaned your whole motorcycle. So let's do that now. And then boom, you just super cleaned your fucking motorcycle for $20 fucking. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you fucking next time.